If you drive regularly, a dash cam isn't a luxury anymore, it's a necessity. From capturing accidents to deterring theft, dash cams in 2025 are smarter, sharper, and more affordable across all budgets. Whether you're looking for 4K footage, 360-degree views, or just reliable basics, here are the best dash cams of 2025 for every price point. Let's dive in. If you want absolute clarity and serious tech under the hood, the VIOFO A329 is a standout. It records in true 4K at 60 FPS in the front and 2K in the rear, thanks to dual-star VS2 sensors. That means better night vision, better low-light performance, and crystal-clear plate reads, even in fast-moving scenes. It supports both micro SD cards up to 512 gigabytes and SSD storage up to 4 terabytes. With built-in Wi-Fi 6, app control, HDR, and GPS timestamping, it's ideal for daily drivers, Uber drivers, and anyone serious about coverage. If you want top-of-the-line dual recording with unmatched video quality, check the link in the description for the VIOFO A329. The Nextbase IQ is like having a security guard inside your car. It's a dual dash cam system that records in 2K front and 1080p rear, and it's loaded with Nextbase's Smart Sense parking, AI Road Watch, and emergency SOS features. The camera can alert you to suspicious activity while parked, automatically call emergency services in an accident, and track license plates and driving behavior in real time. It comes bundled with a 64GB micro SD card, but supports upgrades if you need more space. For those who want full security even when their car's off, the IQ is a no-brainer. Links in the description. Looking for 4K on a budget? The Miofive car camera delivers. It offers 4K Ultra HD video, a 3-inch IPS screen, and full app control with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. You also get GPS tracking, HDR, loop recording, and night vision, making it one of the most full-featured dash cams in its price range. It supports up to 512GB micro SD cards and even comes with a free 32GB card to get you started. Build quality is solid, and the setup is quick with the mobile app. If you're after clean 4K recording without the premium price, this is it. Check the link below to grab yours. Now for something truly unique, the 70mm Omni X 200 features a 360-degree rotating lens, giving you full coverage from one camera, no rear unit needed. It offers AI-powered motion detection, superior night vision, HDR, built-in GPS, and even 4G LTE support for remote viewing and alerts. It includes 128GB of built-in eMMC storage, so you don't even need to buy a memory card. You get time-lapse recording, AI parking guard, and an app that lets you pan, tilt, and playback in real time. For smart, all-angle protection in a futuristic form, check out the Omni X 200 in the description. The Garmin Dash Cam Omni 3 is ultra-compact, but surprisingly powerful. It records in 1080p Full HD, offers a 140-degree field of view, and now includes the Clarity Polarizer lens, which reduces glare and reflections in bright daylight. It's also voice-controlled, which is rare for dash cams in this form factor. You get automatic recording, seamless app access, and a sleek plug-and-play experience. It tucks neatly behind the rearview mirror, so it's practically invisible to outsiders. Perfect for minimalists and commuters. Grab the Mini 3 using the link below. All product links are in the description below, so go check them out to find the perfect dash cam for your ride and budget. Like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more honest gadget roundups.